We all know the cycle. You buy a new phone, get a glass protector, and 2 weeks later, it cracked. You keep replacing it because you think it's the only option. You might think tempered glass offers better durability because it's thicker and harder. The truth is, glass is rigid. Hit it in one spot and drop it again and again. It will crack easily. Hybrid polymer works differently. On impact, it absorbs and spreads the force instead of taking the hit in one spot. That's why it doesn't crack like glass. Let's see how tempered glass and hybrid polymer take an impact. With impact fusion technology, it stops the break and absorbs impact. It survived. But impact isn't always one clean hit. Sometimes it's extreme force. With LotusFX technology, you still get that glass-like smoothness. Swipes feel natural, so you don't lose the feel of glass. We've been stuck in the glass cycle for too long. End the glass crack cycle with X.ONE Hybrid Polymer Screen Protector.